I like growing salad leaves in troughs like this. You get a really amazing crop just from a small area. And there, these are sort of 3 weeks old. They've just reached the point where I'm now picking the leaves off. I just pick individual leaves off to put in salad. At this stage, when I'm just starting to pick them, it's the perfect time to actually sow some more, because once these have gone over, then you've got some more to take over, because they do eventually get a bit exhausted. So it's good to keep sowing some fresh batches. So all you need is another tray like so, and I mean, you can use anything really. You can go for something like a shallow tray, like a seed tray. You can even grow in, find some here. And then you've got some old cell trays that you've had, plants that come from the garden centre. Fill with compost and then sprinkle seeds over the top of that. And just use a multi-purpose compost, and it's quite simple. You just take your seeds and literally, now this is a mesclun salad leaves. It's basically a mixture of oriental salad leaves, and just literally sprinkle the seeds over the top. I actually sprinkle them so they're about 5mm to 1 centimetre apart, so quite close together. And when you've actually finished sowing, I just sprinkle a little bit of compost over the top, just a small layer, just to, not too deep, maybe just another, literally just to cover the seeds. And then I give it a good watering, label it, and just leave it on the greenhouse bench. Or you could put it on a windowsill, or if it's in the summer, you could just put it out on the patio. And in a couple of weeks, you'll start getting some little leaves that you can actually start to harvest. You can harvest them when they're quite small. Just try to avoid picking the growing point of the plant out. Try and pick the leaves around the growing point. I'll show you here. So we've got this one here. I've got a growing point in here, so I leave that, but I would pick the leaf next to it, and so just pick those, and then you'll get some more growing, so you're not completely decimating the plant really quickly, so you get actually a few pickings off it. So I definitely recommend growing mixed salad leaves.